Good morning. It's the Tuesday after the long bank holiday Easter weekend. Let's go for a walk and I'll show you what I'm doing today. Okay, so it's only a little job this. I did this job 3 years ago for the first time and I've done it every year since. Let me turn around and show you. You're probably looking at it thinking, well, why is he about to clean this? It's very, very clean. And in a way, I suppose I agree with you, but this particular customer is very particular. They like things very clean. They like things to be done every year, regardless of what it looks like. They want it done every year, so that's fine by me. It's not a problem. Oh, I know some of you are looking at the bottom of this fence thinking, you need to clean that. Now, the customer also is quite particular about what is cleaned and what isn't by using a pressure washer. They do not want pressure on the fence, on the wooden fence. The customer said he's going to put some wet and forget on there, which is basically a weak back 50 biocide, but it's good enough to remove that. So yeah, I won't be doing that. The customer will be doing that himself. That wet and forget will take care of that, no problem. That'll come off within a few weeks, so yeah. Anyway, here's the bigger section. A little bit green, still fairly clean though, no black spots or anything like that, but that's because I've taken care of it, and that's the rest of it. So, I actually cleaned this for the first time in 2021 during COVID, and I repointed it. Now, I've done a traditional sand and cement mix. They got in contact with me because they had had it laid the previous year and they weren't happy with the pointing because it was all coming out. Weeds were growing through it. They wanted it done with the sand and cement mix, which is much stronger if you do it properly. So I know there's a lot of guys out there that swear by using the brushing resin stuff, which was what was used on here previously, but I just don't understand that. I just don't, because it just does not stand up to pressure washing. Weeds do grow through it. You can stick a pencil through it, no problem. You can't do it with a sand and cement mix. I mean, that's wrong. I can't stick a pencil through there. I couldn't stick a pencil through what I've done. So look, I'm not trying to start an argument with anyone, but it's just my opinion. But that stuff is awful and I would never use it. I tell a lie actually. I've been on a job once where a guy had used it, but he had struck it, which basically means he had gone over it with the trowel, compacting it, smoothing it off, and it was really, really strong. I was actually very impressed. I couldn't actually believe it because I hadn't come across it like that before. But the whole point of these brush-in resin compounds is that you brush them in and that you don't need to strike them or smooth them off. That's their whole selling point. But the fact is, if you don't strike it, smooth it off, compact it, they're just weak and they fall to pieces after a few years. So anyway, look, that's my opinion. Rant over. The water butt's nearly done. I'm not going to bother filming this because the whole video is going to be of me when I was here last. And the reason I didn't show that video, and I haven't shown it before now, is because I lost a load of footage at the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to splice this, me talking now, with that video. I'm going to walk around at the end once I've cleaned it this time, yeah, cut it all together and obviously explain what I'm doing through the video. That's what I'm going to do today. Anyway, enough talk, let's get on with it. Okay, nice and clean again. Not that it was that bad to start with today, but still better. Lovely colours of this stone. It's already starting to dry out. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.